Hi friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. We're going to learn about our ABCs. Do you want to learn about the ABCs with me? You do? All right, let's get to it. Q. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for queen. R. R is for ring. Ring. R is for ring. S. S is for sock. Sock. S is for sock. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. T. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U. V. V is for violin. Violin. V. W. W is for watch. Watch. W. X. X is for box. X. Y. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Y. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z. Good job, my friends. You did it. See you next time.